Good morning, RV family. My name is Jason Herrington here at Veurink's RV Center. We have been family owned and operated for 60 plus years. Now, what I have the privilege of bringing you today is our all new Holiday Rambler Reno 29M. This is a 29-foot gas coach on the Ford chassis. It's awesome. It's a tailgater's coach. It's so sleek with that beautiful black paint on there. I'm gonna shoot a real short video for you just to touch on a couple features. If you guys have any questions throughout the video, feel free, give me a call at any time. My number will be at the bottom of the screen. Now follow me inside and let's take a look. Now, right when you walk into your all-new Reno, you're just gonna notice the really modern look. You're gonna have the darker cabinets, lighter floors, lighter countertops. It looks really well. This coach is gonna sleep about 8 people, and one of my favorite parts is this thing actually has a king-size bed in it on a 29-foot coach. So right when you walk in, you're gonna have your sofa right across from your dinette. Now, this sofa is a jackknife sofa. It will pull out into a bed to sleep and accommodate 2 extra people. And then over here, you're gonna have your L-shaped dinette with a removable pedestal table. Right above that's gonna be your entertainment center. This TV is on a swing arm. You can pull this thing out and watch TV from your couch or your dinette. It's very simple. Now, moving on back to your kitchen, they do a great job. It's only a 29-foot coach with just the one full wall slide, so they do a great job of putting in a lot of space and a lot of storage in a small area. You're gonna have cabinets all the way across, extending the full length of that slide. A lot of countertop space. This is gonna be a laminate counter, but it is seamless. You do not have that T-mold that you used to back in the day, so this is a great countertop. Stainless steel single bowl sink, as well as a pull-out sprayer on there. You are gonna have a 3-burner cooktop, as well as a microwave and a vent cover. Lots of drawers down below and some cabinets. It does come with an RV refrigerator, so you're gonna have gas and electric capabilities while going down the road. Now, right across from your kitchen is going to be your bathroom. Your bathroom is gonna come with a ton of countertop space. You can utilize that. Ladies, you can put all your stuff out there and have plenty of room. It's gonna have a porcelain toilet, make it feel a lot more like at home, even a foot flush. No more reaching over the toilet and pulling the lever. Now, the back of your new motorhome is gonna be your bedroom. A king-size bed. How often do you find king-size bed in a small motorhome like this? Plenty of storage above, plenty of storage on this side. You have a huge wardrobe hanging closet right there, as well as a ton of countertop space and cabinets below. Again, entertainment right across from your bed. Plenty of spots to view TV on a rainy day. This bed will lift up to provide additional storage underneath as well. Now, here in the cockpit of your all-new Holiday Rambler Reno, we're gonna be riding on the Ford chassis. This is gonna have the all-new 6-speed torque shift transmission, as well as the 6.8-liter V10 by Ford. To the left of your steering wheel is gonna be your pad for your 4-point hydraulic auto level. Press a button, this thing's gonna level itself. It's so user-friendly, it's awesome. Right above the 2 seats is gonna be a flip-down bed. This thing will fold down. You can sleep an additional 1 to 2 people up there. Now, don't worry about them getting hot sleeping up top. There are 2 air conditioners in this unit. It's gonna cool this thing down very fast. Now, directly next to your passenger seat by the entry door is gonna be all your switches to control this whole coach. All your battery disconnects, your awning control, your lights, everything is gonna be centrally located. So right when you walk in, you can make sure you can control everything. Now let's go outside. I wanna show you a couple features out there. Now, right when you walk outside of your all-new Reno by Holiday Rambler, you're gonna be instantly underneath your patio. This awning that expands your patio is massive. It spans the whole length of your new coach. It is all power. Press the button, run this thing out. It'll dump itself if rain gets on there. And there's even an LED strip all the way across the top to illuminate your whole patio space in the evening. It's so awesome. Now, this is my favorite feature right here. This can come standard with your Reno. It's a 50-inch flat screen. This is an RV TV. It's meant to shake, it's meant to get hot, it's meant to get cold. You don't have to take it out of there when you're traveling down the road. Enjoy the game, enjoy the race. It's perfect. Now, periodically throughout the coach, you're gonna find a couple storage bays like this. They have holes in there if you want to throw ice in there or liquids in there, something like that. It's not gonna pile in there and stain anything. It will fall out those holes. Right to the back of your coach is going to be this massive storage compartment. It's going to have GFCI plugs on both sides as well as USB ports, and that cooler system that I had down there as well, the wet bay, so you can throw ice in your drinks, put a microwave, a mini fridge right here, create your own outside kitchen. It's awesome. Right underneath that is going to be a quick connect for propane, so if you have a gas grill or a stove, something like that you want to cook with outside, you can connect it right there. Now, if you need to tow anything with this Reno, this is going to come standard with an 8,000 pound towing capacity on the hitch. So you can tow a trailer with your golf cart or with your side-by-side in there, or even your motorcycles. It's going to be great for it. And I love the black. Everything is going to be powered with your 4,000 kilowatt Awning generator by Cummins. It is a gas-powered generator, so you're going to be able to power yourself outside for your tailgating as well as your TV if you're parked at the tailgate or at the park. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the all-new Holiday Rambler Reno in our all-black edition. If you guys have any questions, give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. Now, thank you guys, and we'll look forward for you to go RVing with us.